We find the way to bus terminal right now. Oh, 11 minutes walk. Yeah, straight right now. Tired? No, you can change shoes. You have another shoes. Eight minutes only walk. You can change shoes. What, backpack? Okay, I can hold your backpack.
Yes.
And now, right. Yeah, start raining. But we already near bus station. We straight and right. Okay, let's go, Shira, let's go. Let's go with red. Okay. And right now. Starting rain. Starting rain, but I hope if start big rain, we already in the bus. Not problem. Okay. Shira backpack is broken. And she put also something some more. That's why broken. It's okay, she have another in home. Vista Hotel. We already near bus station. Yes. Hi? Yes, McDonald's near bus station. Many McDonald's here. Yes, night time. Morning we been in this McDonald's. And our hotel also. Not so far. That's why we choose hotel. It's near bus station and near Chinatown. Bus station this way. Take a look. We start rain. Oh, heavy rain. I see already buses. Take a look, rain. Have on two sides. Have one side and have another side. Different bus terminals. This in front. Yes. Also have as Victory Line here have. There's many bus stations. I need to take umbrella. Yes. This is Philippine rabbit another side. This is Philippine rabbit. It's rabbit. And this one, it's Victory Line terminal. I take umbrella. Okay. Now it's okay, we can walk. Okay, let's go. This is Victory Line terminal. We will check. Oh, but where buses? Don't have. So rabbit. Okay, going to rabbit. No problem. Road also have. Yeah. Pedestrian line. This way, straight and left, Shira. Yes, it's very close. Already there. Umbrella not need already. Angeles, Dau, Tarlac, Capas. Angeles, Dau.
Yes.
When bus going to? When? What time?
15 minutes from now. 15
After 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, if space have, okay. Okay. Drinks? No, we find the space first, you see. Yeah, it's okay. No, it's okay here. I will buy water. You see. I will check water have or not. Cold water. Excuse me, do you have not cold water, not from refrigerator? Bottled water, not cold. Yes. It's my Life Philippines YouTube channel. If you want.
This one's in?
Yeah, big.
Big?
Yeah, big. Big is okay. No Facebook. YouTube channel. Yes. It's my Life Philippines. Yes. How much?
35 pesos.
35.
You doing a video now?
Huh?
You doing video?
If you don't want, I can blur face. No problem.
I'm scared of camera.
Scared camera? Why you scared? You message if you don't want in the video, I can blur face or cut. If you not problem, but you can find. Okay, thank you. We go into Pampanga right now. This is bus. We go into Dau. Shira, it's okay for you? Not cold. It's good. No, I will use jacket. We already in the bus. It's okay. don't know how long travel to Dow terminal. Now 1:35. Maybe 4. It's good. It's good if we arrive before. We are lucky. But I hope don't have traffic to Pampanga. But from Pampanga, heavy traffic already now start. And the evening also. Because today last day of balloon festival in New Clark City. That's why many cars come back to Manila or another destination from Tarlac campus. It's New Clark City. That's why maybe traffic. Shaira, are you okay? Shaira, tired. Tired?
Better than Pampanga.
Pampanga better?
Not like before.
No, interesting.
Even I've been here so many times, but I don't.
But I know you before always travel to your relatives in Quezon City.
Yes, I live here before, but
Yes,
I don't like it.
you live, yes, but Quezon City not the same. It's also Manila.
There's more traffic there.
More traffic? Because Shaira is now before Chinese New Year, many people.
No, even Chinese or not, it's full traffic right now rather than before.
Traffic also in Pampanga also.
What is this? Even traffic in Pampanga, you can walk. It's easy.
Yes, we can walk, yes.
You can find what is this bus, already a drive or motors. But here it's I don't know.
Seat belt, you know how?
So
Speed
big
for-
range.
Oh, really heavy big.
The vocabulary wet.
Okay, soon we will go. But you use a jacket. Close.
Even I use my jacket if it's wet inside.
No.
If I do like this, yeah.
See how many passengers. Time now 1:40 and this start drive to Dow terminal. But I don't want to sleep, I sleep good in hotel.
I wish not traffic only in legs.
Yes, but we already in the bus, not problem. Already stop rain. So look, don't have rain already. Just arrived Dow terminal. So fast, about 1 hour from Manila, Chinatown to Angeles City Dow terminal. And we take jeepney to Mabalacat.
Right.
Our bus going to Angeles, yes. Angeles near Nepo Mall. Rabbit bus station. Huh? What first time? Use vape? You use vape with stress only, yes? So in Manila not stress.
Stress already.
Stress.
But I got
Okay. Not need. Shaira, you need forgot in Thailand, not allowed, not allowed.
I cannot take this one.
Yes, no, not allowed. Shaira, jeepney to Mabalacat. don't have traffic here in Kamachilis Road. Good weather also. Oh, tricycle also have. Very good. Don't want sleep?
I won't sleep.
I don't know. Better sleep already night time. Wait little bit. You want sleep now?
Yes.
Rest. After take shower, I feel better always. Oh, soon don't have noisy. Carnival already closed. Yeah.
Yan ako po kanya lelebak. Ay, hindi ba po? Salamat.
Thank you. Oh, you don't know me? Huh? Okay. Okay. Oh, don't have food. Waiting cars. Cat waiting cars. Wait, I give to you. Wait, first of course I give to you food. Okay. Let's go. Cat don't want in home. Eat it. What I have. Okay. I need clean fish also. Fish also need. Okay. Where food? Fish food. Only clean. Don't have time. Don't have. Shire tired.
Oh, the other cat crying right now.
Thank you for watching. So we already in home. Travel time 1 hour only. Come back from Manila.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat. I'm tired.
And soon next month we're going to travel another.
Thailand.
Thailand, should say Thailand. Yeah, we're going to Thailand. We already bought ticket to Thailand and we meet with our friends also. You know, we have many friends. Before we travel to Philippines, now we don't want to go to Angeles City, and we always meet in other places. In Thailand, sometimes in China.